Good day and welcome to my channel once again. Here in this video is about costafarm investment. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end. It's going to be nice, and if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. So first of all, what is costafarm? Costafarm is a life, like if you click on the product here, you can see the amount you can invest. The minimum amount you can invest here is 4,200, and when you invest this 4,200, the daily income they can give you every day is 168 naira, and when it reach 60 days they give you 10,080 naira. And another amount you can invest here is 9,800. When you deposit this 9,800, the daily income they can give you every day is 392 naira. When it reach 60 days they give you 23,520 naira. If you scroll it again, the amount you can deposit again is 21,000. When you deposit this 21,000, the daily income they can give you every day is 840 naira. When it reach 60 days, they'll give you 50,400. So that is how is this. If you click on home now, so if you click on the invite here, this is a place you can invite. Like if you invite one person, they'll give you 420 naira as your referral bonus. Back to home again. See this place, this is the place you can join their telegram group, and this is the place you can see the how many friends you have invited, and this is the place you have see your income, and this is the place they have give you your bonus, and this is the place you can withdraw, and this is the place you can deposit. So if you want to create this platform, I am going to copy the link, paste on my Facebook, account. So if you need the link, you can go to my Facebook and copy the link. So that is how this amazing platform is. If you find this video interested, consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you for watching.